Hey, what's going on, traders? Welcome to the Zero to Hero Trader YouTube channel, where we teach you the ins and outs of trading the markets to make you a better trader. Now, before we get started, make sure that you like and subscribe down below so you can get notified when we post another video. And last but not least, if you're interested in some of the custom studies that we use in our videos for Thinkorswim on the channel, I dropped a link in the description below where you can go and check those out if you like. In this video, we're going to be doing a deep dive into a bullish reversal chart pattern, the inverse head and shoulders. Let's go.
Zero to hero trader, learn to trade in no time. Watch our videos and be sure to subscribe.
Alright guys, so the inverse head and shoulders is a bullish reversal chart pattern. Switching it up a little bit from the last few videos on the bearish reversal chart patterns, we're moving into the bullish reversal chart patterns. Alright, so it's going to have 6 different components to form this pattern. Let's start with number one. Number one, you're going to need to be in a downtrend, okay? This is going to be a bullish reversal pattern. So in order for it to be a bullish reversal, we're going to have to be in a downtrend to start with. All right, so number one is that downtrend. All right, number two, it's going to form a low here to make this left shoulder. All right, going to come up, find a little bit of resistance there. Roll back down, make a lower low to form the head for number three. All right, going to come back up, test this resistance again, roll back down, make a higher low to form number four, the right shoulder. And then number five, component number five is going to be this neckline here. Just like in the original head and shoulders pattern, it's going to form this neckline. So when we come and see this right shoulder form, and start moving back up, I'm going to come in here and draw this neckline in here with this trend line, okay, or with this horizontal line. All right, so once we see that this is starting to form, it starts to roll back up, I'm going to have this horizontal line drawn in here for our neckline, and I'm going to be looking to enter right here as it breaks out of this neckline. All right, so that brings us to number six. Component number six is the breakout. Okay, and that's where we will be looking to enter, is the breakout of that neckline. And where would we place our stops? Same as the head and shoulders, it's just flipped around. I'm going to place my stop just below this right shoulder here. All right, guys, so that is the inverse head and shoulders on the bullish side. So let's go and see if we can find one in the charts. All right, guys, so I found one here in the charts. Again, these aren't going to be picture perfect on the charts, okay? So you're going to have to learn how to recognize these patterns as they form in real time and learn to take the opportunities when you get them, okay? So let's take a look at this one. All right, so we've got our downtrend here. That's component number one. We got our left shoulder here, component number two. Just drop down, come back up, hit some resistance, come back down, make a lower low, component number three. Come back up. There's our neckline. Okay, come back down. There's our right shoulder. And as it breaks that neckline, you see you get the nice pop up. And then it moves on up and then eventually gets rolled back down. But you could have had the opportunity right here in this little move. Okay, depends on, what your time frame is, what your position sizing is. But that is, for sure, an inverse head and shoulders. Go one more time. We got a downtrend, our left shoulder, our head, our right shoulder, the neckline, and the breakout. Okay, let's see if we can find one more example. All right, so here is another inverse head and shoulders example. So we've got our component number one, the downtrend. We have our left shoulder. Here's the head, our right shoulder, our neckline at those resistance points, and it broke out to the upside here. All right, guys, so that is the deep dive on the inverse head and shoulders bullish reversal pattern. If you like this video, go ahead and leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified when we post another video, and leave me a comment down below. Do you trade the inverse head and shoulders bullish reversal pattern? Maybe you should. And if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and check the description below for a link to the free PDF of the classic chart patterns that we've been going and doing these deep dives on, so you can have it with you by your side while you're trading. Download it to your computer, print it out, whatever you like to do, hang it on your wall. That's our free gift to you, okay, guys? So I will see you in the next one. Peace.